When towing heavy-duty equipment, it's important to make sure that your trailer is secure. If you're hauling more than 10,000 pounds, you will need to make sure your hitch setup is able to handle the load. A basic hitch receiver will not be able to handle the job. In these cases, you'll be looking at the possibility of 3 different heavy-duty hitches. The first possible hitch you can use is a pintle. A pintle is a rear frame hitch. It is best used in vehicles that don't have much bed space, which wouldn't allow for a fifth wheel or gooseneck hitch. You may also consider a gooseneck hitch. Gooseneck hitches use a ball and coupler connection, with the coupler being undermounted in a truck bed. The ball can also be turned over to allow you to use your flatbed when not hauling your equipment. The last hitch setup you can look at is a fifth wheel hitch. Fifth wheel hitches utilize a kingpin and pin receiver in your truck bed. While a fifth wheel hitch is easier to hook up by yourself, the head is heavy and difficult to move, meaning it's usually left in the truck bed even when not hauling a trailer, obstructing your use of your truck bed. The most important thing to consider when choosing a hitch is what you're hauling. Once you have that figured out, give us a call and we can help you determine which hitch is best for your needs.